In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a horizontal bar chart in Excel. If you want to compare categories side by side and make long labels easy to read, a horizontal bar chart is a great choice. Before we begin, make sure your worksheet has the data you want to visualize, with clear category names in one column and the corresponding numbers in the next. Including short, descriptive headers at the top of each column helps Excel recognize what you're charting and will make the finished chart easier to understand. Start by selecting the cells that contain the data for your chart. Click and drag to highlight your categories, their values, and the headers. Keeping your selection clean and contiguous helps Excel build the chart correctly in one go. If you're working with a larger table, it's perfectly fine to select just the specific columns and rows you want to plot. The key is to include those headers, because they'll populate your axis labels and the legend automatically. With your data selected, head to the Insert tab on the ribbon. This is the home for all charting tools in Excel. If your ribbon looks compact, you might see icons instead of full labels. Hovering over them will reveal tooltips. The Insert tab ensures Excel knows you're ready to turn your selection into a visual. Next, look for the Chart button that groups column and bar charts together. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Insert Column or Bar Chart. Clicking it opens a gallery of chart types so you can pick the format that best matches your goal. This gallery is where you choose the orientation. From that gallery, choose 2D bar. This option creates a horizontal bar chart, placing your categories along the vertical axis and extending the bars from left to right to show their values. Horizontal bars are especially useful when category names are lengthy or when you have many items to compare, because the labels remain readable and the ranking is easy to scan at a glance. After you choose 2D bar, Excel immediately builds the chart based on your selection and places it on the same sheet, using your headers for labels. If anything looks off, like missing labels or unexpected series, double-check that your original selection included the correct cells and headers, then try again with the right range. And if your categories appear in the opposite order than you expected, remember that this is simply a reflection of how your data was arranged in the worksheet. That's it. With a precise selection, the Insert tab, the column or bar chart gallery, and the 2D bar choice, you've created a clean horizontal bar chart in Excel.